What are polar night and polar day in the Arctic and Antarctic? Imagine living in a place where the sun never rises or never sets for months at a time. That's what happens in the polar regions, and it's a fascinating part of life in these extreme environments. In the Arctic and Antarctic, the tilt of the Earth causes these unusual light cycles. During winter months, the sun stays below the horizon for more than 24 hours, creating what we call the polar night. In the Arctic, this can last up to 6 months near the North Pole, and in Antarctica, it's about the same near the South Pole. During this time, the sky can be filled with twilight or a faint glow, but the sun doesn't come up. People living at research stations or in local communities have to adapt to this darkness. They use artificial lights and routines to stay active and healthy. On the flip side, during summer months, the opposite happens. The sun stays above the horizon for more than 24 hours, creating the polar day or midnight sun. This means the sun is visible all day and night, and it can last for several weeks or even months. For researchers and station crews, this constant daylight can mess with sleep schedules. They often use blackout curtains or sleep masks to help their bodies get rest. These light cycles are caused by the Earth's tilt of about 23 degrees and its orbit around the sun. When the North Pole tilts toward the sun, the Arctic experiences continuous daylight, and when the South Pole tilts toward the sun, the Antarctic has its polar day. Conversely, when the poles tilt away from the sun, they experience the long periods of darkness. For people working at Antarctic research stations, understanding these cycles is vital. It affects everything from daily routines to mental health. During polar night, they relying on artificial lighting and social activities to stay positive. During polar day, they manage the bright environment with special sleep aids. These phenomena are not just natural wonders. They shape the way communities and scientists live and work in these icy regions. So, whether it's months of darkness or endless daylight, these cycles define life at the very top and bottom of our planet.